Yo, what's up, everybody? You're welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Flow Rocker. Today, I am going to be unveiling a product that has been threatening my life. Yes, for over 1 week and a half, yeah, I go online and I keep seeing this product everywhere. It's like I turn left, I see it. I'm asleep, I see it. I'm awake, I see it. Everybody's talking about it, except me. I'm sure you guys are wondering what's in here. That's the same product I'm talking about. Let's check this out. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Whoop, there it is. There we have it. That is the DJI RS5 combo. Not just the 5, combo focus. In the words of Christina Aguilera, you get yours, I get mine. I got mine, go get yours, yeah? Sorry, I don't mean to be a bully, man. I'm just glad, I'm glad I have this, right? Everybody wants it. Everybody wants to have what's new. Yeah, I want to have what's new too. Yeah. We're talking about the DJI RS5. Now, basically what I'm going to do today would be purely an unboxing. I just want to show you guys what we have in the goodie bag of the RS5. Now, in another video, I'm going to be talking about 10 differences between the DJI RS5 and the RS4. I happen to have the RS4 combo and I have the RS5 combo as well. I use the 4 a lot and I thought that, what could be better than this? Then came the RS5. And in the 5, it does way more than 5 stuff. They should have called this the DJI RS10. Yeah, that's a joke anyways. Alrighty, guys, let's unbox and let's see what we have in the goodie bag. Let's do this right now. Come on. Alrighty, let's unbox. Ooh, did you guys see that? All right. Let's bring this out. Oh, look at that beautiful bag. Up and away. Alrighty, so in the box, we got a bag, all right? Let's open this up. Get up, get on up. Get up, get on up. There we have another one. Fantastic. Let's open it up. It has the DJI running written beautifully in front. The bag is very similar to that of the RS4, so no surprise in there. What did I just do? Did I just close the bag? Goodness me, you know what we're gonna do? This is not gonna work. I cannot unbox this thing with a box. Let's bring everything and let me arrange it on the table and let's see exactly what we have in the box. Alrighty, so this is what we have in the box of the DJI RS5. Starting from the top, we have the power handle. It has that beautiful running written on top. And then we have the briefcase handle. There are tons of stuff in there. We'll get back there in a minute. And then we have the holder for, the base for the camera. Then we have some screws. We have 2 more bases here for holding down the camera to the body. And then we have a tracking AI camera here. Now, this used to be optional. You had to get an adapter, to use the one you had, but now you do not need to get yourself one. It comes with camera by default. And then we have the tripod. There's something unique about this tripod. I'm gonna get to this point later. And then we have the rest of the gimbal. Now, on top of there, you have the manual, is a quick start guide, really. You have this beautiful question mark here, which happens to be a USB-C cable, and it just happens to bend like a question mark. Interesting. And then you have another USB-C cable, and this is everything we have in here. Now, let's have a closer look at some of this stuff, right? Starting with the briefcase handle. Now, if you have a look at this handle right here, this is totally new, right? Now, we have a cold shoe mount. We have a mounting screw right there. And then we also have on the handle, on the briefcase handle itself, you can now control the gimbal. This is so cool. Why didn't DJI do this all this while? And then, see this? See this right here? With the old one, when I say the old one with the RS4, right? When you try to open it, you have to open each one separately. But with this one, if you open one, all 3 open at the same time. And I think that's pretty cool. You won't feel the effect until we're done actually setting it up. I love the fact that now we don't have to start looking for this to buy. We have this. Now we have a camera in there. And then on the body of the gimbal itself, this is the portion that is driving everybody crazy, right? You can now track your subjects from here. Like I said, this is purely an unboxing, so, don't Don't hit me, guys. I'm just trying to unbox, and then we'll actually, work it out and see how it works. And then another new thing I love about it is you now have tuning knobs. You have 1, 2, 3 tuning knobs. So unlike before, when you're actually going to set up your gimbal, you have to, start using your hand to push to see whether it locks. Well, DJI has thought of our pains and sufferings and have decided to ease our pain. We say thank you for finally answering our prayers. Not like we knelt down to pray. Just common sense, isn't it? Good. So now you can actually tune. You have 1, 2, 3, and you can tune easily. I mean, there are tons of stuff embedded in here. Like I said, the next video I'm going to make is going to be 10 differences between the RS4 and the RS5. But in terms of the unboxing, this is practically everything you will get if you are getting the RS5 combo. Now, in terms of pricing, right, there are 2 types of combos. You have the RS5 combo, the one with the SDR transmission. That one goes for like $1,268, while this is the standard combo. This goes for about like $720. So, and that's everything we got with this DJI RS5. So I'm gonna see you guys when next we do our comparison. All right, ciao.